Hello and welcome to an episode of Historically Marked. I am Jason in downtown LA, and I'm in between a lot of big buildings, but this episode is going to be about the Angel's Flight. Yes, this is a ride that exists downtown. I'm going to ride it, and there's a historical marker here. Check it out. Alright, so that's how you get in. And over here is a historical marker. Built in 1901 by Colonel J.W. Eddy, lawyer, engineer, and friend of President Lincoln, Angel's Flight is said to be the world's shortest unincorporated railway. The counterbalance cars, controlled by cables, travel at 33% grade for 315 feet. It is estimated that Angel's Flight has carried more passengers per mile than any other railway in the world. Over 100 million in its first 50 years, this incline railway is a public utility operating under a franchise granted by the city of Los Angeles. Put up by the Native Daughters of the Golden West, November 1952. Alright, now I'm going to check it out. Alright, check it out. Where am I going to sit? I guess I'll just follow the crowd. This thing is so retro. Check out the wooden. Sit over here. I'm going down. Ooh, I love this.
Oh, it's so short. Yeah, you can see it.
This thing does jerk.
Well, that looks
Just the view from my seat. And
I was paying dollars so that I wouldn't have to.
we're stopping.
You took it down, yeah.
Yeah.
Then we should pick it up. Jeez. That's hard to get.
Alright, that is it. I think.
Doesn't this remind you of the little Hakone step?
Yeah, the one that we took on the way.
Maybe that's the funicular too.
That was good. It was just like this. I guess it wasn't as steep because it was longer.
Yeah, it wasn't as steep and it was less
It was controlled.
creepy.
Yeah, and a longer ride.
It was more oil.
Alright, time to board off.
Oh, the steps are much closer together than I
Oh, that was fun. It was short, fun. So here's what it looks like from the ground. Yeah, that car right there. Pretty cool. All the way from, yeah, the concrete jungle. And there's also a historical marker that was put up by the Angels Walk LA Foundation and or City of Los Angeles, who's part of it, but unfortunately I can't access the marker. It's got more detail about it, but if I find any interesting, cool information about that's on the marker, I will put it on the screen. All right, now we're gonna watch it go back up. Yeah, I mean, call it quirky, call it historical, call it what you must, but yeah, I definitely think it's unique, especially for something in LA, downtown part that is. And so this takes you close to the intersection of 4th Street and Hill Street. in case you're wondering where this takes you. All right, I am Jason. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Historically Marked. I am in downtown LA, right at the east part of Angel's Flight. Sign off.